everybody, this is ComplexityCrew of ComplexityCrew.com. Right here I'm just going to be doubling the bass, and I'll show you how I'm going to finish this track in about 8 minutes, 7 minutes, something like that. It's pretty quick, but basically we're going to need the modulation wheel to automate to the playlist, and then that's what I'll be doing right here. Then I'll only talk when I have to now, so you can hear it. So far we're just like doing basics. Right now I'm in a sidechain the kick mix channel through like sidechain to the other tracks, so that we can compress without making it sound like the other sounds are being too pushed down by the kick. So yeah, and if you guys want to subscribe, I'll have a series coming out where I show how to produce sounds themselves without presets and such things, like a kick and rhythm, stuff like that. Then also like substructure and form, substance, stuff like that. So yeah, subscribe if you can. If you like the stuff, check out ComplexityCrew.com. Also, here we're just sidechaining the stuff, so like you'll hear how it sounds. I'll stop talking now. So right here I'm gonna just put a like chord progression. We're gonna work on a chord progression here, so like you could observe how it's done in D sharp major, C minor. Just check it out. I don't really have a plan here, I'm just winging it, so yeah, here I'm just gonna make the octave go down or up a bit so this sounds better. And yeah, I think you guys will like how it sounds. Toward the end it gets pretty well refined, I would say. If you enjoy this video, like I said, hit me up in the comments, let me know if you enjoyed it. I really appreciate the last comments. The last tutorial I did got a pretty good reception, so thanks. And alright, I'm just fixing up the chord progressions, making them have like 3 notes per one instead of each being just abbreviated to 2.